Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you step by step how to change a magura lever to a Shimano XD lever, also known as a Shigura. Let's start by removing the seat post button. Then we'll unscrew the magura lever and detach the oil hose. After that, we'll cut off the old end piece and remove the old nut. Now it's time to apply a new cover and Shimano nut. And insert a new insert into the hose. I know our method is not the best, but works. We'll prepare the lever for assembly. Screw the hose into the lever and then mount the lever onto the handlebar. Finally, we'll screw the seat post button back on as it was at the beginning. After assembling everything, remember to bleed the system. You can find a video on how to do that on my channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.